Hello, everybody. In our foreign languages English class today, we are going to discuss about two topics: focus review of Unit 7 and writing an opinion essay and writing focus. During these hours, students will be able to use correctly and reinforce grammatical points reviewed in the unit, use vocabulary related to media, understand the structure of an opinion essay, and explore issues in writing from different aspects or viewpoints. As a warm-up activity, students will think about their connection to the media and discuss on the expression of Jim Morrison: "Whoever controls the media controls the mind." According to the vocabulary revision, students will continue doing the exercises to practice and reinforce learning. Exercise 1 on page 94, where students have to match the words from box A with words from box B and then use them to complete sentences. And in exercise 2, page 94, students will complete the sentences with words from the unit. According to the grammar revision, students will revise conditional clauses 0, first, second, and third, and mixed conditionals. According to the conditionals, students are going to revise all of them. Let's start with 0 conditional clauses. We have got the present simple plus present simple verb in both the conditional clause and in the main clause as well. If you stand in the rain, you get wet. If you heat ice, it melts. We can notice that all verbs are in present simple: stand, get, heat, and melts. We have the use of 0 conditional clause. It is used for facts which are generally true or scientific facts, and the condition always has the same result. So we have got things which are always true or generally true in 0 conditional clause. The first conditional clause. We have got the examples: if it rains, we will cancel the trip. And the second one: if you study, you will pass the exam. So the structure is if plus present simple plus will or won't plus verb. The uses. We use the first conditional for a possible situation in the future or predicting a likely result in the future if the condition happens. So we have got present simple in the if clause, in the conditional clause, and will cancel, will plus verb in infinitive, for the main clause. Second conditional. It is formed from if plus past simple plus would plus verb. If I won the lottery, I would travel a lot. If they sold their house, they would be rich. So we have got a hypothetical or unlikely situation, or an unreal or improbable situation now or in the future. And third conditional, we have got if plus past perfect in the conditional clause and would have plus past participle in the main clause. If you had studied, you would have passed the exam. Had studied in past perfect and would have passed, would have plus past participle. Or the next example: if I hadn't been sick, I would have gone to your party. We use the third conditional when the person is imagining a different past or for an imaginary situation that did not happen. If we have a look at all the conditionals, we might say that the 0 conditional expresses facts which are always true or generally true. And facts are always true. The first conditional, it is used for possible situations in the future. Second conditional, it is for unlikely situations or unreal or improbable situations, now or in the future, and the third conditional, which is just imaginary situation that did not happen in the past. According to mixed conditionals, we might say that we have got mixed conditional, third and second conditional. Structure: if plus past perfect plus present conditional. In present conditional, we have got would or wouldn't plus verb and bare form of the verb. The usage: present result of a past condition. And we might have these examples. If I had listened to your advice, I wouldn't be in the mess. If he had checked the map, he wouldn't be lost. If I had gone to university, I would be a doctor now. So, past perfect had listened, and would or wouldn't plus verb in infinitive wouldn't be. And the next type of mixed conditional is second and third conditional sentence. If plus past simple plus perfect conditional. The usage: past result of a present or continuing condition. Examples: if I were a good cook, I would have invited them to dinner. If you weren't such a poor dancer, you would have got a job in the chorus line in that musical. For grammar reinforcement, students are going to refer to page 94 on the text. They are going to do exercise 3, 4, 5, and 6. In exercise 3, students will choose the correct option. In exercise 4, they will complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. In exercise 5, they will complete the text with the correct form of the words in brackets. And in exercise 6, students will complete the sentences using the words in brackets. According to the reading and speaking reinforcement, students are going to read the article on page 95, exercise 7, and choose from the sentences from A to E the one which fits each gap. And in exercise 8, page 95, they will work in pairs through a conversation on WhatsApp in these conditions that our country is facing nowadays, and complete the speaking task. They are going to send that through WhatsApp to the teacher as well.